How to view someone's TikTok story anonymously. To get started, I'll go ahead and open up the TikTok application. As you can see, we're now in the TikTok homepage. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Friends. Here, you can find or follow your friends to watch their videos. You can also view their stories from here. Now swipe down on the screen to open the control center. Tap on the airplane mode to turn it on. Then go back to the TikTok page and open the friend story you want to view. As you are viewing the story while being offline, your friend will not know that you have viewed their story. Following these steps, you can easily view someone's TikTok story anonymously. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.